moments of silence po ang request ko po sa inyong lahat. Pumanaw na raw po ang dating Pangulo na si Pangulong Noynoy Aquino, Benigno Aquino III. At kami po'y nakikiramay, taus-pusong nakikiramay sa mga pamilyang naiwan ni dating Pangulo Noynoy Aquino. 61 years old at siya po ang pang-15 Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Kanina na pong 6:30 ng umaga, pumanaw siya sa Capitol Medical Center. Habang naghihintay po ng kidney transplant, siya po'y binawian ng buhay ayon po sa kanyang political advisor na si Ronald Llamas. And he was 100 pounds and has been taking dialysis 3 times a week. Okay. Sa muli, ang aming pong taus-pusong pagkikiramay sa mga pamilyang naiwan ng dating Pangulo na si Noynoy Aquino. Okay.
Ako, a moment of silence muna po tayo and prayer for former President Benigno Aquino. We commiserate po and condole with the family and loved ones of former President Benigno Simeon Noynoy Aquino III as we extend our condolences on his untimely demise. We're grateful for the former president for his contribution and services to the country, and we ask our people to offer a prayer for the eternal repose of the former chief executive. Rest in peace, Mr. President.
Nalulungkot at nagluluksa ako at ang buong OVP family sa pagpanaw ni Pangulong Benigno S. Aquino III. Nakikiramay kami sa kanyang pamilya at mga mahal sa buhay. Sa panahong ito, una ko naaalala ang mga personal at partikular na bagay ukol sa kanya. How he always carried a copy of the Constitution around with him. How in one of his State of the Nation addresses, he stated, "Hanggat nagsisilbi tayong lakas ng isa't isa, patuloy nating mapapatunayan na the Filipino is worth dying for. The Filipino is worth living for." At idadagdag ko naman po, the Filipino is definitely worth fighting for. Sinasagisag na mga detalyeng ito ang diwa ng kanyang pagkapangulo. Patas ang tingin ni Pinoy sa lahat sa ilalim ng batas. Tapat at may paninindigan siya sa tama at makatarungan. He was courageous in facing down the systemic ills of society, in dismantling long-entrenched systems of corruption, in standing up for the country in the international stage. Ginawa niya ito while occupying an office that he initially did not seek and was in fact reluctant to run for. Pero nang tinawag siya, ibinuhos niya ang lahat ng enerhiya sa paglilingkod. He served with passion and a deep sense of commitment to the Constitution and the country. Naalala ko rin ang mga sandali na nagpakita siya ng kabutihang loob sa akin. Pinoy was a kind, steadying presence in the days after my late husband's plane crash. Alam kong pareho kami nagluluksa noon. Nawalan ako ng asawa at siya ng kaibigan. He extended kindness to my daughters at sinigurong matutugunan ang mga pangangailangan namin even after Jessie's death. Sinalamin nito ang malasakit na laging ipinapakita ni Pinoy. May dignidad, hindi magarbo, pero ever present. He was a man of both kindness and toughness. And Pinoy was first and foremost a man of integrity and honor. A man who always put the welfare of the people front and center. No amount of historical distortion can change the truth. That every decision he made was oriented towards the betterment of the Filipino people. Hanggang sa dulo, naniwala si Pinoy sa kabutihan ng Pilipino. And this faith inspired governance that pursued institutional reforms that uplifted many lives. Kaisa ako ng buong bansang Pilipinas sa pagluluksa sa pagpanaw ni Pinoy. Bitbit nating lahat ang pamanang tapang at paninindigan ng kanyang mabuting halimbawa. Maraming salamat, Pinoy. Rest in peace.
Maybe I allowed to read this message to the family of the late Benigno Aquino III and to the entire country. It is with profound sadness that I learned of the passing of the former President Benigno Aquino III this morning. We thank the former President for his service to our country. I hope that my fellow Filipinos will be inspired by his legacy. I offer my heartfelt condolences to the Aquino family. Be assured of the government's assistance in this period of mourning. And above all, please accept the love and the prayers of a grateful nation. Before we proceed to take a moment of silence to honor the memory and pray for the eternal repose of the soul of President Benigno Simeon Aquino III. May he rest in peace. You know, as always, when I talk to the family, I had the chance to talk to the family of the yung namatay, I could hardly find the right words to say the condolences. So, but every time, sinasabi ko na, para naman ito sa lahat sa atin, Ecclesiastes 3. And the long and short of the message there is always a time for everything in this planet. So whatever it is, we will always have our appointed time. So sometimes we just take for granted life. But in times like this, lalo na kilalang presidente, we are always put on notice of our mortality in this world. That also we cannot last forever.
Miski sa pagbaba sa pwesto hanggang sa aking huling hininga. Makakaasa kayo gaya ng walang patid ninyong pananatili bilang aking lakas, hindi rin kayo mag-iisa. Sasamahan ko kayo, tatabihan ko kayo, magkakapit bisig ng isang nating isa sa buhay ang daang matwid.